Install the RPA agent on Linux. First, download the installation zip file and unzip it. Next, navigate to the RPA Agent Linux folder and open the Zoho RPA Agent and bin folder. Here you'll find an install.sh file. Right-click on install.sh and choose Open in Terminal. In the terminal window, type sh space install.sh and press Enter to install the agent. Once the installation is complete, type sh space run.sh and press Enter. You'll then be prompted to register your RPA agent. Just copy the installation key from your web browser and paste it into this UI to register the agent. Then give your agent an appropriate name and click Register. Now that your agent is successfully registered, switch back to the browser window to complete the setup. Then just review the agent details and click Done. And that's it! You've successfully created and registered your Linux RPA agent. You're now ready to start building your RPA flows. So let's move on to the next lesson.